Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sabila. I'm from International Trade of Unisa Bandung. On this occasion, I would like to do a presentation about tips listening part B and C. Okay, strategies for listening part B. Number 1, if you have the time, prefer the answer to the listening part B questions. Number 2, listen carefully to the first line of the conversation. Number 3, as you listen to the conversation, follow along with the answers in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Number 4, you should quiz even if you are not sure. And last, number 5, you use any remaining time to look ahead at the answer to questions that follow. Okay. Next, to skill 7. You have to anticipate the question. Please choose the question based on the choices. Look the choices, so what is the question for them? Choices A, Friday, B, Saturday, C, Sunday. Of course, the question is when or what day, right? Okay, next to skill 8. Says the first one or two sentences generally give the topic. You should be asking yourself what the topic is while you are listening carefully to the first part of the conversation. For example, narrator say, listen to the conversation between two students. The man says that what did you think of that history exam? And the woman said, that was the hardest exam you've ever seen. And the man said, and it wasn't just hard, it was long too. You think the topic of the conversation is a very long and difficult history exam. Okay, next. Skill 9, the order of the answers. Example, narrator says question 1 and 2. Listen to two students on a university campus. Men say, can you help me? I'm lost. Woman say, sure. Where are you trying to go? Men say, I have a class in Stanford at 3 o'clock. I thought I know where I was going, but I guess I was wrong. Woman say, you are centrally at lost. Stanfield Hall is on the other side of the university. I'm heading in the direction. Come on with me and I will show you the way. I say, thanks, you are a lifesaver. Narrator says, the question number 1, what problem does the man save? Choices A, he's sick. B, he's lost. C, he's tired. D, he's broke. The answer is B, he's lost. Question number 2, where is the Stanfield Hall? Choices A, directly in front of them. B, to the left. C, quite near B. D, on the other side of campus. The answer is D, on the other side of campus. And next, strategies for listening part C. Number 1, if you have time, revert the answer to the listening part C question. Number 2, listen carefully to the first line of the talk. Number 3, as you listen to the talk, follow along with the answer in your textbook and try to determine the correct answer. Number 4, you should use even if you are not sure. And last number five, use any remaining time to look ahead at the answers to questions that follow. Skill 10. Question blah blah blah. Choices A beautiful plant. B. A poisonous plant. C. A delicious plant. D. A fast grown plant. Question is what kind of plant, right? Okay, next, skill 11. Example, narrator said, listen to a talk at start of a meeting. Woman say, I'd like to call this meeting to order now. This is the third monthly meeting of the Science Club this semester, and today we need to discuss of the upcoming science fair. The topic of the talk is a meeting of the Science Club to discuss the science fair. Okay, next, the last, skill 12. Narrator says, question 1 through 3. Listen to a talk about cats. 1 say, many people are allergic to cats. If they come in contact with cats, they sneeze. Their skin turns red and their eyes begin to burn. However, it is not only people who suffer from allergies. Cat may also be allergic to pollen, dust, and perfumes. Many of them again that cause allergies. A veterinarian can prescribe medication to help solve the problem. Question number one. What happened to people suffer from allergies? Question two. What is mentioned about cats? And last, what can someone do with a cat that has allergies? Okay, maybe I think enough for your presentation. I hope you are understand about my speak and my presentation. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.